Hey, it's Rue. In this video, we are going to make the Irish Buck, also known as Jameson and ginger ale. Are you ready to make this drink with me? Let's get started. To make this drink, we need to gather these ingredients: Jameson Whiskey, ginger ale, and a lime. 3 items. It's still time. Let's go grab them. Ice, a highball glass, a jigger, a knife, and a bar spoon. First step, roll your lime. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut our lime into wedges. We'll cut them into 4. Set the limes aside. Grab your bottle of whiskey. Pour 1½ ounce of whiskey into the glass. Add ice. Open your ginger ale. Pour 3 ounces of ginger ale into the drink. Grab your bar spoon and stir the drink. And the last step is to garnish with lime. And there you go, my friends, the Irish Buck, also known as Jameson and ginger ale. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.